Hey, welcome back, Portugal, to your Caribou Data Science channel. Today is, well, what is today? Today is Sunday, October the 10th, 2021. It's time for your daily COVID-19 analysis as well as a very quick look at your vaccination efforts, okay? So let's just run some numbers up here and see exactly what it can tell us. Of course, while this report's running, I do have a few favors to ask. First of all, subscribe to the channel. Second of all, click the like button. Third, click on the share button. Share this video with your friends and family on Facebook and Twitter today, okay? You can also copy and paste the link to the video into an email or text message. Also, if you look in the description below, you're going to see two links. The first link is to Dave's Data Analytic channel on Twitch. Now that channel is where I go and I do live and I do data analytics with R programming language, and it's at 8 p.m. New York time tonight. Okay, and the second link is a link to my Twitter channel. I currently have 4 people on Twitter. You could be the fifth, sixth, or seventh person. All you do is click on that link and follow me on Twitter today. Okay, thanks so much for your time. Let's just get on with the show here. So we're looking at a 14-day average here at one point. So the total of people vaccinated, over 8 million people have been vaccinated. Vaccination rate over 75%, maybe close to 80%. Now, if you come down here, we take a look at the 14-day average of the now the red line supposedly the daily cases, but it doesn't look like daily cases. It looks more like the average or something, which I don't understand why. But nonetheless, you can see Portugal, you had this long declining pattern in COVID-19 cases up until July. Then you saw your cases begin to peak again, but now here's your cases are beginning to decline. Now, what we can see here is the same pattern with deaths. I mean, your deaths are basically crazy, though. I mean, at this point, you should be giving away your vaccine to other countries because clearly your situation is under control. Okay. Weekly cases. Well, now you look at weekly cases. This looks a little different. This isn't quite as smooth as a fit. Okay, but you can still look here. You had a brief increase, 5 6 week increase in the middle of June to early July, well below the two previous numbers, the two previous peaks. But now your cases are beginning to fall again. They're below 12,500 cases for a single day, probably down to about 8 to 10,000 cases right over here for the week. What about deaths? We can see your deaths are just flat out crazy low. This line's 500 for the week. This is 250. So this is about 125. So your cases right now for since all the way back over here have been like 125 cases per week, deaths per week. Okay. What about monthly cases? Well, you can see again, you're very close to having a 4 month decline in COVID-19 cases in Portugal. Okay. And that's Portugal. Look how crazy low your deaths are to Portugal here. This is just insanity. Okay. All right, Portugal. That concludes your report for today. Hey, thanks so much for stopping by. Before I let you go, don't forget to click on the subscribe button, the like button, and the share button. Share the video on Facebook and Twitter, emails and text messages. Also, if you look in the description below, you're going to see two links. The first link is a link to my Twitch account. Tonight at 8 p.m., I'll be doing a live stream. I'll be doing R programming and data analytics using R. Okay. Secondly, I'm trying to get a Twitter stream up and running, so I'd appreciate it if you would click on that Twitter link and follow me on Twitter today. Thanks so much for your time. We'll catch you tomorrow with an updated report.